What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jon Venus, and today I'm gonna be a single dad preparing a very quick meal. I just want to show you guys that it doesn't have to take a long time in the kitchen to prepare amazing, delicious meals that are both nutritious and super tasty and also baby friendly. So, are you ready for this? Are we gonna do this? What are we gonna make today? Yes, we're gonna be making some tofu scramble in the pan. So let's see how long it takes me as a single dad, because Catherine's away and I don't do this very often, so I'm not used to it. So I'm really excited to see how long it's gonna take me to prepare a meal. We're gonna do this together, right? We're gonna do teamwork. Fist bump. So today we're gonna be preparing a very simple tofu scramble. The ingredients are 1 block of tofu, 1 onion, some hemp seeds, some broccoli, some lemon juice, and then a couple of spices. This is chili and then some sort of salt. And we're gonna be adding some black pepper as well, but that's pretty much it. Right now, those are the ingredients. Are you ready to get started? What do you want to start with? What's in here, bro? What are you looking at? The light? Oh yeah, we're gonna have to turn the fan on. That's right. Let's go. Shoo. I'm no expert in chopping at all, so this is gonna be exciting. Daddy's hungry, baby's hungry, so we gotta move fast. And for some reason, I'm having a lot of trouble peeling this onion right here. I don't know why. All right, Noah. So we chop the onion like this, and we just go all out. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Now hopefully, Noah, we don't start crying, because onions, sometimes they make us cry. The onion is just a way that men get in touch with their feminine side. Boom, boom. And then we throw it in here, okay? Ready? Woohoo! All right, so what we're gonna do, Noah, is throw a little bit of water in here, okay? I'm gonna throw some water in here because we don't wanna use oil, because oil isn't too healthy, so we're gonna use water instead to start steaming this thing, okay? Let's put a little bit here. That's it. All right, do you wanna click this button here to turn the stove on? Yes, there you go. All right, yeah, oh, it's gonna be super hot. We don't wanna touch it. Next up, we got the broccoli. So these are the two things that need to go on the pan first because they take the longest to soften. Let's chop this one up. One hand, not ideal, but definitely possible. Definitely gonna be making a mess in the kitchen. That's okay, because mom is gonna be back to clean up after us, right? Not fancy at all. Just chop it up like this. It's way too much broccoli, so we're probably just gonna use half of this right now, and then half for another meal later on. So we're just gonna stir this a little bit while we crumble the tofu into the pan. All right, so here's a block of tofu that we're gonna put in. Just crumble it with one hand, because the other hand is occupied with carrying this beautiful baby. All right, just crumble it like this. And this is kind of a amazing alternative to a scrambled egg breakfast, right? A lot of people that want to have a healthier alternative to scrambled eggs can definitely benefit from trying this recipe out. Throwing salt in here. There you go, just a little bit. Next ingredient is key. This is gonna be the lemon juice. Big splash in there. And then, Noah, we have the chili. That's kind of like a little bit spicy. So we're not gonna put too much in here, just a tiny little bit. And then I can add more later. I feel like we're missing something, but I can't remember what it is. Oh yes, turmeric, of course. And it's also gonna give the tofu a yellow color. Oh yeah, this pan is still on. Thank you for taking safety seriously. But usually this is a very quick meal to make, 7 minutes max. And it won't be long before this is ready either. So, really excited for this. What about you? Are you excited to eat this? Yep, it's still on. Yep. Right, so we're gonna add a tiny bit of black pepper, just because it helps with the turmeric absorption as well. Just a tiny bit, because I'm gonna be sharing this meal with Noah. So now is the time that a lot of you guys wonder about. What happens when the water that you put in, that you're sauteing and cooking everything in, evaporates and things start sticking to the pan? Well, before it starts sticking to the pan, you want to add some more water. So when the water evaporates, keep adding a little bit more, and that way none of the ingredients stick to the pan. All right, gonna add some more. There you go. You can also add a little bit of soy milk, for example. So actually we're gonna be adding a splash of soy milk in here. Just a tiny bit. So you can see here, the consistency is definitely on point. The meal is almost done, just a couple seconds left. And it's over. Noah, we're done. There you go. That didn't take too long, right? Now it's just about serving it on a plate. What do you think about this? Yay or nay? This is amazing. Nay. Nay? What do you mean nay? All right, guys, so it's now time to serve it up. So I'm gonna throw the tofu scramble in here. This is a big meal. I'm gonna be sharing with Catherine. Hopefully she wants some when she get back. I'm gonna be giving some to Noah. Come, you love hemp seeds. You have a lot of hemp seeds in your diet. Look, yes. I'm gonna throw some hemp seeds, look. Oh, quite a lot. Amazing source of protein, omega-3s, healthy fats. All right guys, so this is it. This is a super quick, easy breakfast, high in protein, high in amazing nutrients, vitamins, minerals. Hope it gives you a quick idea how to prepare a quick meal, even if you're a busy single dad or mom at home with a baby who wants to play ball all the time, right?
Ball.
Yeah. You wanna do a little taste test?
Ball.
Yeah, ball. Taste test? It's a little bit hot, but I think it's okay. And I forgot a fork, so I'm gonna be doing a taste test with my hands. Amazing. Anyways, if you like this recipe, if you like this video, leave a like on this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this. Hey, what's up? I'm gonna go play ball with Noah after this. And yeah, peace out, guys.